Tip number 2, if you want to get a senior post in your company, the answer is you learn different trades of Revit. So if you know Revit architecture, like I said, you learn level 1, level 2, and level 3. Then you learn a little bit about Revit MEP, some of the basics, and some of the basics about Revit structure. And of course, family editor, custom families, adaptive families, you name it, okay? And of course, you need to know some Navisworks. This is the very basic thing. Next, what you need to know the tasks and responsibilities of a BIM manager. What does he do exactly, and how he should control the flow of data, the modeling process, the coordination process, and everything across different departments and disciplines. This course, which I'm going to be giving very soon in downtown Beirut, the seminar, it's a 1 day or 2 day seminars. It talks about the main responsibilities and the tips and tricks that every BIM manager should know. Some of the tools that he should know how to use, like how to create custom sheets, custom families, custom tagging, what is the BIM workflow, how do you manage the BIM file, the central file, how do you collaborate, how do you synchronize, how do you back up the data, what do you do, how do you troubleshoot any issue that might arise while you're doing your work, and some of the tips how to distribute the responsibilities and roles. How do you make sure that your file doesn't become oversized with data, it doesn't get corrupted, it doesn't crash? How do you avoid some of the issues between architecture walls, IDE walls, like the finishing layers and stuff? All this and more I'm going to be mentioning in my next course about BIM management for Revit, or using Revit for BIM management. This experience and this course, which is the sum of more than 12 years in this domain, working at different companies in different roles as BIM coordinator and BIM manager, I'm gonna give you all the tricks of the trade that you might need to do this job. This job is gonna make you eligible for a higher senior post, for a higher senior position as a BIM coordinator or a BIM manager. You don't have to have an engineering degree for this process. It's a lot better, I know, it makes your chances higher, but it's like project management. You're learning the soft skills that will make you manage the BIM process in a company across different departments. So even if you're an architect or an ID or a civil or mechanical, you can manage different departments and different trades across the company just by knowing those tools. So stay tuned. I'm gonna be posting more about BIM management. Some of the tips I'm gonna be giving out some of the free tips for BIM managers so they can use at their work every day.